Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 208 in the active specification. So this vehicle's just £20 a year to tax, and it's done less than 5,500 miles. This car has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth connectivity, air conditioning, cruise control with speed limiter, and there's 15-inch alloy wheels. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.